I respect Simon Ekpa. At least I see some of things he's doing. He has opinion. I respect him. He has opinion. And I know, we obedience. We don't insult people. So
Simon Ekpa has come out to blast and mock Peterobi. So he has come and said that Peterobi is a fake leader. You know that the obedient, that is the obedient cannot do what the Kenyan youth did here in Nigeria. They can never do that. That if they even do it, that Peterobi is the first person that will call for the arrest. And at the same time, he also won't distance himself when they even get arrested. That Peterobi is only deceiving himself and is obedient. That what they did there in Kenya cannot be replicated here in Nigeria, and they should stop deceiving themselves. That it's only just only for the obedient to be analyzing what's happening in other countries, but they cannot, practice the same thing in Nigeria. What can I say to this? The spokesman of obedience in our community here.
I respect Simon Ekpa. At least I see some of things he's doing. He has opinion. I respect him. He has opinion. And I know, we obedience. We don't insult people. So I will never say, okay, Simon Ekpa. No. I respect everybody. But the thing here is that he calling obedience obedient or insulting our leader Peterobi. He has his opinion and he has his reasons, and I understand where he's coming from. Simon Ekpa is coming from the fact that what's happening in Kenya, the Nigerians cannot do it. And Simon Ekpa should know that Kenyans are not Nigerians, and that obedience are not the only Nigerians that are in. Obedience are not the only people that are in Nigeria. They are other Nigerian people. As Simon Ekpa should know, Simon Ekpa is an igbo man, and our leader Peterobi is an igbo man too. Should know that if Peterobi want to do something, they are going to target an igbo something. You saw NSAS in Lagos. They say that it's an igbo, that igbo want to burn Lagos. So that's that. So the obedience are very wise people. If on Nigeria say, let me give you an example. In Kenya, it's not only supporter of any party that came out, it's everyone that came out. So that means in Nigeria, everybody should have come out together and say no. Only obedience cannot come out. So every citizen should be able to come out and say no. Enough is enough. We want to see the same justice, equity, fairness, and everything. Understand? So that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the fact that everybody should be able to pull in one direction. So when somebody say the obedience, no. If he says all Nigerians should come out and protest, I will say yes. Only obedience cannot come out. If only obedience come out, they will say it's only obedience that want to burn the country. Let me give you an example. When there was protest after NSAS, after when they increased fuel everything in Lagos, you saw protest. The Igbo people they cannot come out, and I said it that I support why the Igbo people, why they don't come out, because if they come out, they say that the Igbo people they want to burn Lagos. I said it openly. That is it. So that means if only the obedience come out, they say obedience are okay. For example, they are saying all obedience are iPod. All obedience, see the way they are calling obedience. And in obedience are not just Igbo people. Obedience are different cultures. I'm a Yoruba man. I'm a Yoruba man. I'm responsible of the obedience in this vicinity. There are many Yoruba people that are obedient today. There are Igbo people that are obedient. Hausa, Fulani, Ijo, Calabar, Sheki, different tribes. So they want to make the obedience only the Igbo. No. Obedience are from every part of Nigeria. You understand? So what I say, I understand where it's coming from, because like I said, Nigerian youth are the most docile youth in the whole world. If you push a goat to the wall, when the goat reaches the end of the wall, the goat will turn back normally because it's a goat. If you push a Nigerian man to the wall, he will rather break the wall and enter inside. That is the problem. We are in Nigeria now. People cannot go to farm. We are in Nigeria today. Today now, in Nigeria now. People cannot go to farm. I have a friend. She's a Yoruba girl from Ogun State in Nigeria. Fulani S-men, they invaded the farm first time. Fulani S-men, they invaded the farm second time. On today is Thursday. On Monday, Fulani S-men again still invaded that farm. That's 3 times. I now told her, I said, tell your husband though, if you fight Fulani S-men, they will kill you. And if they kill you, government will not do anything. I told you. Those that are above the law in this country. That is the problem. So
they destroyed our farm, what she was producing on the farm?
No.
Was destroyed. Okay, it was maize.
Maize now. Maize. No. There are different. No, I saw the farm. Even if the person they carry the farm, it's a big farm in Ijebu, in Ogunze, a big farm like that. You see, they cleared everything. And if you attack the Fulani S-man, police will arrest you. In Nigeria here, like I said, Fulani S-man is using AK-47. Is that an S-man? But you cannot think for yourself. I give an example in that place. You cannot see a man that is staying in face me, I face you, and that same man have a megad to guard the room. But Fulani S-man that's selling cow have AK-47. Can't you think that there's an ulterior motive? In my language, they said Okpakolafin Dam. That means it's one cane that they used to drive the cows. No, now it is AK-47. And they go and kill Christian farmers, and everybody's quiet. And the Christian leaders are quiet. They are afraid. You saw religious leaders in Kenya, Catholic bishop. They were telling the citizens that we are with you. But in Nigeria, your religious leader will tell you, don't worry, no matter what it is cost, go and pray to God. Now look at everywhere. You have prayed 1942, 52, 72, 82. You have been praying and praying. Where's the result? All the government accountable. It's not by praying to God. When Hamas attack in Nigeria, they say God of Israel save us. When Hamas attack Israel, Israel attack them. Israel did not go to the temple to pray. If Israel were praying in the temple, Hamas would have finished them. But you see Nigeria, God help me. Oh, they are killing you, are killing you, are killing you. And God will not come down to help you. You will first help yourself first.
But this Fulani, how do you think that we can curb, the way they kill innocent citizens? The most important thing on their farmland. How do you think we can curb this? How do you think we can reduce the killings of the Fulanis in people's farm, innocent citizens in their farm? How do you think, or what do you think that the government can do to reduce these killings?
The people are not ready. It is by farm. There was a time that there's a peace agreement between Yoruba people. I said, how can somebody in your farm be threatening you? Now you get the farm. It's your farm. I have my farm. Maybe my father gave me a land, or maybe I inherited my land. My father is dead. And now I have a farm. You're not bringing your cattle to come and destroy my crop in my own farm. It's not government farm. Okay, I'm asking a question now. If this man now, if he have AK-47, he has AK-47, how will Nigeria go to survive? That's the question now. See all these Igbo people now, if they have AK-47 now in their shop, if they cannot survive, so why will Fulani have AK-47? Everybody's quiet. We know this truth. All of us are afraid in Nigeria, but we know the truth. We know the truth. Okay, they don't know the truth now.
So why is it the Fulani now? Why is it that they have the license or the ability to just take gun and start killing people? Is it that they feel they are above the law? Yeah, I think that's what they think, and that's bad. And the government is not doing anything as regards this.
They say they are above the law. The Fulani seems to be above the law. It's not good. See, today they are killing people and they are going scot-free. Look at the person that killed the boy, that Christian girl. He even showed the matches. Now, is that person in detention? Every time they kill Christian, they kill Christian, they kill Christian, they kill Christian. Christian leaders are saying we should pray to God. They kill Christian, they attack churches. They will go to Yoruba land, they attack church in the Middle Belt, they attack church everywhere. And you are a Christian, you cannot say the truth, you are afraid. They will arrest. And then until they kill all Christians, and make Nigeria a Muslim nation, then everybody will say, okay. Nigeria belongs to everybody. Nigeria belongs to Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Calabar, Fulani, Nigeria belongs to everybody. Not one people, not one person, and everybody is talking nonsense.
But they don't see that way.
Then it's possible let everybody go their separate ways. I'm a Yoruba person. I have what I believe. You are from this side. You know what to believe. Everybody have different belief. So you go along with your belief. Have you seen in the history now that you see a Yoruba man and Igbo man fight? They don't fight, but they have mentality that they want to develop. Have you seen Yoruba and Igbo man ever fight before? Never. They don't fight. They have brain. It's only the people that will come to be killing you in your farm. Everybody's quiet. So let see. Mazis and whatever is what he's saying is right. But you see, like I said again, the obedience are not the only people in Nigeria. Let all of us come together as one, as with one voice. Then we can move forward. Let everybody come together with one voice. That's the problem. But no, he say no. And only obedience cannot come out and face the government and face. Nigeria is not working for everybody. Now, as obedience now, what I'm buying for the same price, the same thing you will buy. Now we buy. So all of us are facing the same predicament. You are facing the same situation in Nigeria. Nobody is separated. You are facing the same thing. What I will buy, what you will buy, what you will buy, what you will buy. It's the same thing. Let the poor people come together and speak one voice. But the poor people have been divided along tribal lines by the politicians. And the people cannot think. You only find politicians. You understand? So that is the thing. So let everybody stay with the two that they know, which is the fact that almost all Nigerian people are poor. The poor people should now come together as one and speak one voice. One voice, poor people. But no. That's the problem. So what they've done successfully, politicians, is to divide the people along religious line. Nobody in my life is nobody is more important than that person. All of us are important in Nigeria. All of us are stakeholders. No tribe is bigger than any tribe. You are all the same. You are all the same. What are you talking about? We are all the same in Nigeria. Everybody in Nigeria are all the same. Not that one tribe, bigger than one tribe. And one tribe to do something and be going scot-free. That is the problem. So what are you talking about? So whatever is, I understand where it's coming from. He has his right to say something. But only him attacking the obedience. No, if he has attacked all Nigerians, I would have said yes, he's right. That all Nigerians, so all of you are fools. See what your mates are doing in Kenya. That's what only now, him attacking only Peterobi or the obedience. That's what I don't like. If you say all Nigerians, I would have said yes. Let us have voice and let us go out to achieve one common purpose and one
only obedience cannot make it happen.
Now you are talking. Only obedience cannot make it happen. If only obedience do something, they will say obedience want to destroy the country. Nigeria, other people will run back. But if everybody say yes, you have this common purpose, you are going to this equal direction. You are going to see positive development in Nigeria. And then things will move better than where we are in Nigeria. So that only then, if all Nigerians will join voice, the poor people, enough is enough. This embezzling is enough. This poverty is enough. This insecurity is enough. This hunger is enough. Then they will see changes. But for now, let us be deceiving ourselves. Let us be praying to God and for let them going to embezzle the money and enjoy themselves. And put their children abroad, and Nigerians are suffering in this place.
You know why there's no peace? The Fulani hegemonists have been selling all manner of stories to the Biafran coastal line. The Igbo states, the Ejo states, the Ekaibos.
Okay, good morning. I was in the army chief of staff, Shegun Awofadeji, has come and said that aggrieved Biafrans, must drop their arms and that only peace, can grow a country, the economy of a country. That they should, even they know that they are hungry, but they should be patient. They should not be they should stop fighting. We should stop fighting one another. Do you think that is right? What he said?
Let me tell you, he's trying to use another craft on us. This man, his statement is very diplomatic. He speaks with experience. As an army officer that is educated and well learned. Anyway, the name you mentioned, I know he must be from Southwest. I often listen to crafts from all these military officers in the northern Nigeria where they poorly obtain their educational certificates, talking and chatting to people that you want to enter into dialogue with. But what this very particular man, Fagbemi, right? Fagbemi by name, what he said is using diplomacy. And I'm of the opinion that the man is preferring for peace. But I have a question for Fagbemi. Is his name Fagbemi, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
His name is Shegun Awofadeji.
Okay, Awofadeji. Awofadeji, I'm an Igbo man, you are a Yoruba man. If you could be in the positions of the Igbos from 1967 till date, if it happened that a situation like this occurs, are you going to take it easy? No, I just want to ask you a question. After the war, Awolowo gave my uncle, my father, 20 pounds. Fagbemi Abiawoyemi, this Awofadeji. Oga, are you going to take it easy? If what happened to Igbos happened to you, that money that Awolowo gave to the Igbos, 20 pounds, and even it wasn't Nnamdi Azikiwe that gave it to the Yorubas, 20 pounds. Can we rest? Can we stay one place today and drink cold water with the Igbos? No, I just want you to know the law of Confucius. Confucian story. You know what he said? If you're not well read, do unto others as you want them to do unto you. Do unto your brother as you want your brother to do unto you. You are a soldier. Human life is nothing to you. Very good. I'm an Igbo man, a businessman. We have been looking for peace since hunting, seriously, since 1970, the Igbos. But there is no peace in Igbo land. You know why there's no peace? The Fulani hegemonists have been selling all manner of stories to the Biafran coastal line. The Igbo states, the Ejo states, the Ekaibos, that's the old Vendel states, including the Benin. That is what's orchestrating what is going on now in the southwest, in the southeast, and almost southern Nigeria. So what happened there, my Oga? The apple of the squad has been sold by the people that think that they are the #1 citizen in Nigeria. I know you might judge me because you are a military man. You believe that you have handled gun. You believe that you have gone further maybe than I do or did.